Take the remote unit from its handy storage space, and you're set for hours of pure pleasure. Enjoy your favorite programs, black and white or color. Turn the set on, select your channel, see all color shows in living color. Like all the controls on this remote unit, the volume is fully variable. Select any volume you want. When you want to turn off picture and sound, just press this button. It turns off the set amplifier. Yes, here is the ultimate in television. A supreme achievement in television engineering. A color set that puts RCA Victor years ahead in dependable performance.